Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to safely and effectively detail your engine bay. So we've just had this car come in for a pre-sale detail. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first step when cleaning an engine bay is that we want to identify all of our electrical components. Just to be on the safe side, we want to make sure to prep them with our SX90 to avoid any water ingress. Now that we've taken care of all of our electrical components, we'll be using our multi-star to get rid of all of the dirt, grease and grime in the engine bay. You can buy the multi-star in a 10 litre and a 1 litre. For an engine bay like this, I would go between 1:5 ratio to 1:10 ratio, depending on how dirty your engine bay is. We're now going to let the multi-star dwell for about 5 minutes and then agitate it with our detailing brush before blasting it off the pressure washer. So now that we've completely rinsed off the multi-star from the engine bay, we'll be now applying our plastic dressing. Whilst the engine bay is still wet, it's the perfect time to apply plastic care as it nicely disperses with the water that's left over on the engine. So generally just give it a really good coating everywhere you have any plastics, and then all you need to do after that is shut the bonnet. So we'll now let the plastics absorb all of that milk, and once we'll get back to it in a couple of hours time, it'll give like a nice sort of matte satin type finish. We'll just give it a slight wipe over and that's all we need to do. That concludes our engine bay detailing video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.